Question 4, we've got our shapes. We've got a circle, a triangle, a parallelogram. Okay, we know what a parallelogram is. It's got opposite sides there, equal and parallel. Watch the lines of symmetry if they ever ask you for that in an exam. There aren't any. You can't fold it over that line, even though people think you can. And the hexagon is our six-sided shape. 32 pupils, that's key to the question. So if I was doing this, okay, 32, I would underline it. We're asked to select a card at random, note down the shape and replace the card. Here are the results. Using the centimetre square grid on the opposite page, draw a bar chart of the given data. Now before you do that, it might be a good idea to tally things off. I think that's why they've given you a little bit of paper here. So let's tally them off. Okay, we've got the different shapes. We've got the circle, we've got the triangle, the parallelogram and the hexagon. Okay, we're going to have a tally. And then we're going to have our frequency, how many times that comes up. So we look, cross them off, we've got our circle, we've got our parallelogram should I say, our hexagon, our triangle. Go through them all, our parallelogram, our hexagon, our triangle, our parallelogram. Next line, our parallelogram, our hexagon, our triangle, our parallelogram. Bar it off with 5 once you get to 5. Our circle, our hexagon, our parallelogram, our hexagon. Bar it off. Okay, we've got our trapezium, our triangle, our circle, our hexagon, our parallelogram, our triangle, our P, our H, our C. Last line, our H, our P, our T, our H, our P, our C, our T, and our P. Okay. Now we need to check that what I've done is 32. I haven't missed any. So our frequency, we've got 5, we've got 5, 6, 7, we've got 5, 10, 11, and we've got 9. Add them up, 20, 27, 32. 32 was our original value, so that's good. We haven't missed any. Make sure you do that in an exam. Okay, so we've made a check, 32. Now we're going to draw the bar chart. So when we draw the bar chart, we need to make sure we've got our ruler. Okay, we've got our pencil. I'm going to draw it in pen, so it'll be easier for you to see. You draw all your diagrams in pencil. We're going to do our circle, which is 5, and the biggest one we have to plot is 11. So look to see on the left-hand side, have I got 11 squares? Usually they'll do it nicely for you, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, we've got more than enough. So label it 1. Make sure you're exactly on the line, not in the middle, exactly on the line. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can go up to 12 just for good measure. This is my frequency. So make sure you label your frequency. Now, we want to plot 4. So if I went across 2 squares and left a gap, I could start here, 2, leave a gap, 2, leave a gap, 2, leave a gap, 2, leave a gap. So I can go across 2 bars and leave a gap. So our circle is 5. Okay, we're going to get our ruler. I'm going to come down. Okay, we're going to put a C at the bottom because that's our circle. Our triangle is 7. We're going to go up to 7. On our triangle, label it T. And we've got our P, which is our parallelogram, and we've got 11. That was the biggest one. Okay, missed a bit. And we've got our last one, which is, says our P. Our last one is our H, which is our hexagon, which is 9. Okay, so got to 9. And there's my bar chart. Okay, One of the pupils, now the question, is selected at random and asked to show their card. What's the probability? Oh, I haven't put my H in there, that's important. What's the probability that the card has a triangle drawn on it? Now, how many triangles did we get? We had 7 out of, we know that's a division line, and we had 32 lots of data at the beginning, so it's 7 out of 32 is my probability.